In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we will care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. My friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, your friendship. Wanna start a sunny day, together we'll walk through any day. Friendship, oh friendship. Let's make our colors bright. In the silence of the night, all the chaos
Video
of
natin
the
si
day,
Tifa.
you're the one I turn to every single way. With you, find
Ayan na lang yun talaga.
solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in the
Ala, kita naman siya. Tingnan mo. Walang pakialam. Oh my God.
friendship. Oh,
Walang pakialam. Oh.
let's make our colors blend.
Ayan, may nakita siyang batang mag-slide. Ayan o. Susunod yan. Tingnan mo. Ayan, i-slide din siya. I-slide. Ay, hindi dyan nakita. Ayan. May kita niya yung bata. Ay, hindi siya nag-ano. Ayun talaga siya bumaba. Akyat siya ulit. Ang sarap ng siumay. Ang sarap. Doon na siya naglaro sa loob. Taas. Kaya mga dish. So, malapit na ako dito sa bahay. So, katatapos lang namin, nakahiwalay lang namin ang kaibigan ko sa Alriga. So, ngayon, pinaglaro lang namin ang kanyang baby. Ayan mga dish. Thank you for watching and have a good night to everyone. Take care always. To all OFW and to all kabayans all around the world. Thank you for watching. Hello mga bishi, andito na ako sa bahay sa loob ng aking tahanan. Anyway, thank you to all my subscribers, to all my followers, and to new subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everyone.